Going into the beehive. I'm going to put a honey super on today. See if to fill it out. They're on the side of the box there. Your glove break?
Yep.
Oh. Oh, there's a lot of bees on top. What you looking for?
Looks like honey.
Killed one, didn't you? Hey, little bee.
Slap full of nectar. Look at there.
Oh, nice.
Almost full frame of honey.
Uh-huh.
And the rest of them look the same. So these girls need some room.
Turn it around, you got it the other way.
It didn't take her long to find that, did it?
Mm-hmm. Getting a little high, isn't it?
Yeah, but when the quilt box comes off.
Good, filling out honey, so hopefully they'll fill this honey super full.
Alright, we got the honey super on. Janice's fancy little paint job there. Oh, peace sign maybe. So the stack's getting tall. The bees are making honey in that second deep. So we're going to give them that there honey super and see if we can't pull us a fall run of goldenrod. Stay tuned.